In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the peso symbol in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document so you're looking at the sheet where you want the symbol to appear. Make sure you're connected to the right file and the right tab, then click into the exact cell where you want the peso sign to go. You'll see a highlight around the cell confirming it's active and ready for input. The simplest way to get the peso sign is to copy it from somewhere else and paste it into your selected cell. You can grab the character P from a reliable source, like a search result or a document where you already have it. Just highlight the symbol P, copy it to your clipboard, come back to Google Sheets, and paste. The character will drop right into the cell you selected. This approach is quick, consistent across devices, and avoids the hassle of memorizing special keyboard codes. If your version of Google Sheets shows an Insert menu option for special characters, you can use that as well. Click Insert, choose Special Characters, and search for Peso. When you see the peso symbol P, select it to insert it directly into the active cell. Keep in mind that this Special Characters tool may not appear in every environment or version, so if you don't see it, the copy and paste method is your best bet. Once inserted, the peso sign will appear clearly in your cell. It behaves like any other text character, so you can adjust the font size, change the font style, or widen the column to make it more readable. Most modern fonts display the peso sign correctly, but if you see a missing character box, switch to a common font like Arial or Roboto. If you need the same symbol elsewhere, simply copy that cell and paste it throughout your sheet. A quick note on behavior. The peso symbol is a character, not a numeric format. That means if it's by itself in a cell, it's treated as text. If you place it before a number, you're creating a text value that looks like currency. That can be useful for labels and headers. For full currency formatting and automatic calculations, you can explore Google Sheets formatting options separately, but for today's task, inserting the symbol itself is all you need. And that's it. Open your sheet, select the cell, paste the P symbol, or use special characters if it's available, and you're done.